Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making your dreams come true? What can I help you with that could make your life and take it to a high level? Can you and me work together and get your next big adventure started? Drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote. Motivation comes from looking at the things you want and realizing what it takes to get it. You have the aim of a goal, a target of some sort, and when you realize just what else you want, it becomes the motivation you need to get yourself after it. Once you begin to realize just what you need to be doing to get you in that place, you'll be more motivated than ever to finally bag what you really want.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.